Why do some programmers progress faster? Have you ever wondered why some programmers, even with less experience, complete projects faster and with better quality? Is it just about their intelligence and talent, or do they use tools that make their work significantly easier and more efficient? In this video, we'll introduce the best tools and websites that every professional programmer should know. If you're not using these tools, you're probably wasting a lot of time. So stay until the end, because each of these tools can transform your learning and coding journey. 1. Stack Overflow, the answer to all programming questions. All programmers, even professionals, run into problems while coding. Stack Overflow is a global community where you can find answers to your questions. How to make the most of Stack Overflow. Search before asking. There's a high chance your issue has already been solved. Write clear and precise questions. The more professional your question is, the better answers you'll get. Answer others' questions. This not only helps you learn more, but also contributes to the community. 2. GitHub, for project management and learning from the best. GitHub isn't just a place to store code, it's a global community of programmers where you can learn and contribute to open source projects. Why should you use GitHub? Version control with Git. If you make a mistake, you can always revert to a previous version. Access to professional projects. Explore the code of top developers and get inspired. Showcase your own code. If you want employers or companies to see your work, GitHub is the best place to display your skills. If you haven't learned Git and GitHub yet, start today. 3. Visual Studio Code, the best code editor for everyone. When it comes to coding, choosing the right editor is crucial. VS Code is one of the most popular code editors, packed with amazing features. High speed and smooth performance, even on low-end systems. Useful plugins for all programming languages. Advanced debugging tools that make error detection easier. Built-in Git support for managing team projects. If you're still using outdated editors, it's time to switch to VS Code. 4. W3Schools and MDN Web Docs, top resources for learning web development. If you're working in web development, W3Schools and MDN Web Docs are the best learning resources. W3Schools, fast and simple for beginners. Tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other key languages. Ready-to-run examples in the browser. MDN Web Docs, the best documentation for professionals. Detailed explanations of web standards. Comprehensive documentation for JavaScript, CSS, and browser APIs. 5. LeetCode Codeforces, challenging sites to improve algorithms. If you want to take your problem-solving and algorithm skills to the next level, LeetCode Codeforces are the best choices. LeetCode, for job interview practice. Real interview questions from top companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Submit solutions and compare with others. Codeforces, for competitive programming. Live contests to solve programming challenges. Compete with the best programmers worldwide and learn new techniques. 6. Postman, a tool for working with APIs. Modern developers often work with APIs, and Postman is the best tool for testing and managing HTTP requests. Send and receive GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE requests. Inspect responses without writing extra code. Ideal for back-end and front-end developers. 7. Regex 101, Regular Expressions. Regular Expressions regex are powerful tools for text searching and processing. Regex 101 helps you quickly test and understand regex patterns. Live testing with different inputs. detailed explanations for each part of the regex pattern. Perfect for programmers working with data processing. Why should you know these tools? Programming isn't just about learning a language, it's about using the right tools. If you're not using these sites and tools, you're probably wasting a lot of time on repetitive tasks. Now it's your turn. Which of these tools did you already know? If you know any other useful tools that weren't on this list, share them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.